What's going on, everybody? In my previous video I have explained you guys how to make this call thing called Spanish. Basically I saw you, okay, it should capture this odd people on the top. It should capture two columns at the same time, but here it's only captured one. I said it's because the Mac version doesn't work properly. If you are using Windows, it will give you this two space. It will capture two columns on the top, if you use call. Now we are going to do something different. Let's see what is it. We are going to look at table width and also cell padding and also cell spacing. Now let's look at one by one. First of all, we are going to look at the width. Now in order to do the width, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the call span. I remove this thing, and here we have a border that is just one, and then I'm gonna put a width. Width is equal 500, and when you put that, what will happen is your width will increase to 500. Now let's see how it's that gonna be. I put e.html. Okay. Now when you open this, you can see the width has been increased. Before we didn't have this much width. Let's see the previous one. The width has been increased a little bit than before. That's why we use width. Now let's look at the other things. Cell, that's width, and then we are going to see cell padding and cell spacing. And for width we can do one more thing, that is instead of putting 500, we can also give it in a percentage. If you put 100% and serve, let's say f.html, HTML, and when you run this, it's gonna appear like this. But as you change the size, like this thing, this size is gonna change accordingly. I couldn't go below this, but if you change this one, this will change accordingly. Or you can see already, like when I expand this, it expands accordingly. That's the thing. And the next thing is we are gonna look at cell padding. Cell padding is basically instead of width, we put cell padding right here, and I put some number, like let's put just 10 here, and then g.html. Okay, it will basically create a pad around the cells. That's all about that one. And same as that, we have cell spacing. That will create a space. h.html. Now that basically creates a space around our table. That's all about it, and I will do more of these videos. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.